I want to also cover fallacies, which are invalid arguments. And there's two ways that I'll cover that are possible ways that we can have invalid arguments. And the first is the fallacy of affirming the conclusion. The second will be the fallacy of denying the hypothesis. So let's take a look at this argument form. If there is a rainbow, then it was raining. It is raining. Therefore, there is a rainbow. So not only do I give the hint of that in here, what's wrong with my argument form? It looks a little like what we've seen before. Assuming that this is true and this is true, these are my premises. So assuming this is true and this is true, why is it that this doesn't follow? P implies Q, not the other way around. Perfect. So I have that a rainbow implies rain. Right? If there's a rainbow, then it was raining. It is raining, and so now I'm assuming that implies there's a rainbow. But this would work if rain implies rainbow. But that's not what we had, right? We had that if there's a rainbow, then it was raining. And so the fallacy of affirming the conclusion, this is going the wrong way around. The fallacy of affirming the conclusion is when we say something like P implies Q, and then we see that the consequent is true, and so we assume that this means that P must be true, which is false. Okay? We don't know is the answer. So it could be that there's a rainbow, but implication in this direction, so this P implies Q, tells us something. If P is true, then Q is true. But when P is false, we don't know. It doesn't tell us anything. Okay? And that is a very common fallacy. Yeah, the causality is wrong. Okay. The other important one is the fallacy of denying the hypothesis. Okay. So if you work hard, then you will get a promotion. Fair enough. You did not work hard. Therefore, you will not get a promotion. All right, so if you work hard, you will get a promotion. You did not work hard. So this is taking the form P implies Q. And it says you did not work hard, so not P. And then we are assuming that not Q follows. But we know that's not the case, because when we think about P, Q, P implies Q, we can list off the 4 truth values, can't we? True, true, false, false, true, false, false. And we know that this is true here, and it's false here, but the implication still holds here. It doesn't cause any problems. It just doesn't tell us anything, right? When not P is the case, we don't know what happens to Q. And so this part is where it has gone astray. We know if you work hard, you will get a promotion. And we know situations where people did not work hard and they've still got a promotion. And so we don't like when that happens all that much, which is why we have the sad face. But it does happen. Not working hard doesn't tell us anything.
How do you know this is all true?
Funny you should ask. We know it's all true thanks to proof, which is the topic of our next conversation.
Proof? Huh. That sounds fun. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.